How to fix your Meta AI not showing on your Messenger app. So first thing first, let's open the Facebook. So now once you open your full Facebook, you need to simply go to the search bar and search for the Meta AI. So once you search it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, and you can see the profile page at the very first, which is AI, Meta AI. So just tap on it and make sure it is verified as well. So you can see there is follow and message option at the bottom of this profile icon. So just tap on that message afterward, and you need to simply enter anything in here, and yeah, you will be able to access your Meta AI on your Messenger app successfully. So yeah, basically this is how, and this is the process to fix your Meta AI not showing on your Messenger app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.